How does a move-in ready townhome with no rear neighbors sound to you? Stick around and we'll show you 440 Lawler Crescent. So I'm at 440 Lawler Crescent. What makes this one special? First of all, it's got great privacy. There's no rear neighbors, and it's beautiful in the spring when all the trees fill in. Number two, it's got an awesome open layout that's perfect for entertaining. And number three, it's got a finished basement with a gas fireplace that's nice and cozy for those cold Ottawa nights. Before we take you through the rest of the home, Kareem is going to show you through the wonderful neighborhood of Chatelaine Village.
Welcome to Chatelaine Village, one of Orleans' most desirable and well-established neighborhoods. If you're looking for a community that blends family-friendly living, nature, and convenience, this is the place to be. Chatelaine Village is perfectly situated along the Ottawa River, offering easy and quick access to biking trails, walking trails, and beautiful nature. Petrie Island is also nearby, which offers great beaches, year-round views, and some beautiful sand. Commuters will love the easy access to Highway 174, making trips downtown a breeze. And with the upcoming expansion of Ottawa's LRT system, getting around the city will be even easier. Families will appreciate the great selection of schools in the area, including Convent Glen Catholic School and Terry Fox Elementary School for younger kids, Karen Wilson Secondary School, known for its strong academics and sports programs, plus multiple daycare centers and early learning options for young families. For shopping and entertainment, you're minutes from Place d'Orleans Shopping Center. Plus, there's a fantastic mix of local shops, restaurants, and cafes nearby, perfect for weekend brunch or picking up fresh local goods. Chatelaine Village is the right choice for families, professionals, and downsizers alike. It offers peaceful, suburban serenity as well as easy convenience to urban areas.
Let's step inside 440 Lawler Crescent. This 1996 built home is designed for comfort and function, featuring an open concept main floor and beautiful engineered hardwood flooring. The kitchen flows beautifully into the dining and living area, making a great space to host your family and friends. There's also tons of square footage, with 1,363 square feet of living area above ground and an additional 635 square feet in the finished basement. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious and bright bedrooms. The primary is a standout, with a walk-in closet and direct access to the main bathroom.
Step outside to this fully fenced and private with no rear neighbor backyard, and you'll enjoy a relaxing evening barbecuing or just sitting on a patio.
One of the additional perks with this home is the beautiful finished basement, complete with a gas fireplace. Whether you need a home office, an extra living room, or just a spot to hang out with your family for those movie nights, this place is ready for you.
If you're looking for a townhome that offers space, privacy, and a great location, this is it. Be sure to check out our floor plans, pre-list home inspection, and more at nickfernandez.ca.
We would love to give you a private tour of 440 Lawler Crescent. Just reach out to us anytime. Do you know someone who would love this home? Share this video with them. We're happy to help them make their perfect move in Orleans. There's no rear neighbors, and in the spring, you can see all the trees fill in, and Kareem is going to show you a little bit. I was so close.
As well as peaceful suburban serenity, as well as easy urban convenience. My bad, bro. I couldn't get that word out.
I went at the same time. Flowing directly into the dining and living room, making it